block on block concept. Suppose this is smooth surface and here is a block A of mass capital. Okay, there is another block B of mass small m lying on it. Coefficient of friction between these two surfaces A and B is mu. Okay, suppose a force F is applied on A, right? Observe, when A tries to move in the forward direction, B will oppose its motion. It will try to oppose its motion. And you know, friction opposes relative motion. So when A is trying to move forward, B will exert a force on A in the backward direction. That will act on A in the backward direction like this. The reaction force of this frictional force is exerted by A on B, which acts in the forward direction on B. So in this problem, the lower block will move under the influence of applied force and friction, whereas the upper block is going to move only because of friction. So you have to first identify which body is going to move under the influence of friction alone, because for that body there is a maximum possible acceleration, because maximum value of friction is mu s mg. So maximum possible acceleration of the upper block will be mu sg. It can never be more than that. But as far as A is concerned, it can have any acceleration because it is moving under the influence of applied force and friction. So if you are increasing this applied force, it can take any acceleration. So up to what acceleration both the blocks will move together, this is the maximum acceleration. So if both the blocks have to move together, then this force F, applied force F, should not exceed mu sg acceleration into total mass. Okay, so this is the maximum value of the applied force for which both the blocks can move together. Okay, now here there are two cases. Case 1, if the applied force is less than F max, then both the blocks will move together. Then we can write acceleration will be F by m plus m, right? And because the upper block is moving with this acceleration, we can write the frictional force which is causing the acceleration must be mass into acceleration, that is nothing but mf by m plus m. Okay, this is clear. Now case 2, if applied force is greater than F max, then what will happen? Then there will be relative motion between these two surfaces and both the blocks will be moving with different accelerations. Of course, both are moving forward. Okay, so how to write the acceleration of the upper block? For the upper block, we can write, because the frictional force will be the kinetic friction. Here the force will be kinetic friction, so we can write acceleration of B is equal to Fk by small m, that is nothing but mu k mg by small m, that is nothing but mu kg. Whereas for the lower block A, right? For the lower block A, there is applied force F and kinetic friction Fk. So we can write the acceleration of A will be F minus Fk by its mass. That is the acceleration of the lower block. So in this case, the two blocks will be moving with different accelerations in the forward direction. Okay.